So for example, when you're trying to do calorie deficit and trying to, reduce your carbs so that your insulin level won't be going up every day, here's how you do it as a 9 to 5 person. When you come to the office, take green tea first, stabilize your body, and then when you want to eat, start with eating fiber first. And then let's take your food. You brought that day is rice, cucumber or cabbage with stew, and then you can add like 3 eggs or chicken. However, if you have rice and then you have beans for your afternoon food or your evening food, I would suggest you eat beans first. Or if you don't have beans, if you have rice, you can start with taking oats. You can take your oats with milk. Don't kill yourself. You can take your oats with milk. But however, in the morning, to help yourself, take protein and fiber first. Take protein or fiber first so that your insulin level will not spike. That's another secret too. So if you don't want your insulin level to spike, the first thing you have to eat in the morning is either protein or fiber. That helps. That's another secret that helps, because some people might know what to eat, but they don't know how to eat it, and it can be lagging behind, because what we're trying to do here is just to get your insulin not rise. That's the whole purpose of this. Try this secret out first. Eat protein or fiber as your first meal, and then even if you're eating your carbs later on, you have to make the carbs minimal, but then you can add other things. Try that out first. This is coming from somebody who has actually done the work and is still in progress. We're not there yet. We have lost 14 kg without struggling, without feeling hungry. In 2025, I lost 14 kg without struggling, without feeling hungry, and these are the steps. I'll be sharing more of what I did to get to where I'm at right now. It's possible. Especially my 100 kg plus girlies. It is possible to get to 90, to get to 80. It is very possible. Bye.